Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language on the Onn TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So let's get straight into it. We're going to use the top panel to navigate, and we're going to be navigating to quick settings. Under quick settings, we're going to tap all settings, and we're going to look for the option that says system. So click on system, and you're going to navigate down to language. So when you have the language button, click on it, and you are allowed to choose from a wide selection of languages, even different versions of those languages. So for instance, you have English here. If I click on English, I could change it to United States, United Kingdom. I could go to Canadian, Australian, and all that different versions of the English language. So alternatively, you could use Espanol. If you speak Filipino, whatever language you prefer, click on it and you're going to set it up right here. That's it for this video. If you found it insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video content just like this.